September 2nd is the International PizBurger Day, celebrating my sole invention, the PizBurger. How did we make this monster? I'll show you now. I and I alone invented the PizBurger, and I will show you how to make one. It's the ultimate cheat day meal. First, you want to start with a strong base, and for that, we like a whole standard size Whopper, regular Whopper. Now, I hear a lot of kids, a lot of posers say, "Oh, I had 7 junior Whoppers." That's for kids, okay? Men eat the real size Whopper. So if anybody tells you, "Oh, late night I did a lot of junior Whoppers," you know that's a poser. Okay, so we have our Whopper and we like it for the big base. Again, everything we have in the meal is locally sourced from our local health fast food places. Then we need the pizza, and Daryl got us the pizza. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is from locally sourced from pizza. God damn it! Hungry interns. Whatever. Okay, so let's. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. That's the good stuff. All right, so we're gonna put a pizza in it. Like the thin crust to not get it too hard to manage. Let's put that on there. Now, as any pizza, any good pizza, you want to give it a little Parmesan. The other little thing we like is the chili peppers. Let's get that on there. This is the really hot stuff from Trader Joe's. And since we don't have enough cheese on there, let's add one from Tillamook, our friends up in Oregon. Let's pop one of those babies on there. And then the ranch dressing for kind of makes it all go together well. So we put that on the bun side. All right. So that's your PizBurger. Put it all together. The ultimate cheat meal. Invented by yours truly. Okay, let's have a closer look, shall we? At this monster. Oh, that's a lot of goodness right there. That's a lot of goodness. Let's try the beast. Oh, it looks good.